Number 9. What I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to distribute through here on both sides of the equation and then move all my variables to one side, move all my numbers to the other. So let's do that. 7 times 2n is 14n. 7 times 6 is minus 42. 2 times 6n is 12n. 2 times 3 is 6. Now let's move the variables all to one side. Would you rather move 14n or 12n? I'm going to move the smaller variable, 12n. So I'm going to subtract 12n from both sides of the equal signs. There's the equal sign, both sides of the equation. 14 minus 12, 2n, minus 42 equals, those go away. 0 plus 6 is 6. Now I need to move my number over to that side. So I add 42 to both sides of the equation. I get 2n equals, when it moves over there, we have now what? 48. Divide by 2, and we get n is 24. Number 10. Well, easy enough. Should we move n or 4n? Well, let's just move the n over. So I'm going to subtract n from both sides of the equation. N minus n goes away. You're left with negative 6 equals 4n minus n is 3n plus 24. You're not used to having the variable over on the right-hand side. You always seem to get it over to the left. It doesn't matter which side of the equal sign it's on. It doesn't matter as long as all the variables go to one side and all numbers go to the other. So I'm now going to move this number over to be with that number. So I subtract 24 from both sides of the equal sign. Goes away here, negative 6, take away 24 more. Wow, if it's negative 6 degrees outside and drops 24 more degrees, it's now at negative 30 is equal to 3 times n. How do I do that? Multiply by 3? I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. I'm going to get negative 10 is n's value.